Just start.
Hey, hi everybody, this is Pelu, Awofeso. I'm still in Porto Novo and I'm in the Agina area. I've just arrived at the Voodoo Temple. It's a magical, marvelous, how would I call it now? I'm short for words now because I'm so impressed, I'm so overwhelmed by the historical, traditional complex that this place is. I'm about to walk through the artist district or artist street where local artists have painted, sculpted, designed all sorts of traditional items and elements, you know, on this stairway. I'm going to walk up it and then you'll be able to see all sorts of traditional representations of what makes Voodoo, why you should come to Porto Novo. If you are a culture vulture, if you love and enjoy history, if you are happy to experience the traditional West African heritage and culture, Porto Novo is where you should come. And one of the attractions that you should try to see is the Voodoo Temple. You get to learn so much about the Voodoo culture, the spirituality behind the voodoo that everybody comes to watch in January in Benin Republic, and then get a sense of the fact that voodoo, there's nothing evil about it. There's a lot of good that is, you know, attached to the voodoo culture. That is what I've learned this morning, and that's why I'm so excited to talk about it. So I'm going to walk on the artist street now. It's a stairway, it's like it's a room, it's a street basically curated by local artists. Come. Left and right, all sorts of cultural representations. There are musical instruments, there is a crown, there are drums, there is a xylophone, there is I mean, this looks like a crocodile or like a lizard, a giant one. There's white light, there's gong or called agogo locally. So it's just a fascinating, you know, artistic environment that I'm proud to see and experience and share with you guys, from one West African to the other, from an African to the rest of the world. There's more to see. Let me just show you. This is the artist street, and that's all about the artists in the area enjoying the afternoon sun. 1 minute.
1 minute.